Jeffree Star / Anastasia Beverly Hills / MAC, I think it's called. I think this is MAC. And then we got our wig. Oh, this hair is gorgeous. So then we apply our wig right here.
No, I like to serve it on a freaky side. What you want, I can't ignore. So tell me what you're looking for.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You're not even supposed to be in this video.
Don't want you ride, don't want you die, just want you live for me. Ain't tryna make it by me no more, baby, live for you. And you got way too many.
Oh guys, by the way, I don't care, but this is what glue I use to my eyelashes. By the way, like, it stays on forever and it rips out your eyelashes when you take it off. Highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. It makes your eyelashes, it just makes you bold. Like, I mean, I'm back. Stop looking at my boobs. Oh my days. You guys always. Doing in my channel, on my channel. What have you been doing?
A little bit more family friendly. Let's just do it all over.
Do you use to swipe your mooch?
I don't. It's like, oh, no.
Okay guys, this is gonna be a makeup tutorial. First you got your primer. Let me show you what primer I'm using. Gotta cover it so you can see. Alright, we're gonna get the primer and we're gonna put it on her face. Oh, I mean, in all the necessary spots, guys, don't forget. We didn't even wash your face first.
I did.
Okay, look to me, look at me.
I don't want to talk, I mess it up. So I'm not going to talk, I'm going to talk after.
Okay, and then we got our thing and we use our shirt to open it because our hands are greasy now from our primer. And we just wind it up, then wind it back down, because if you wind it up too high, but then if you wind it down too low, it's not going to be, you know, so then you wind it back up. So we're going to use this to do her eyebrows.
And we're going to put it under the eye.
Come closer, guys, come closer. Start at the beginning because that's where you want to start. And you do like a box because that's like the most trendy eyebrow that you can like have, if you didn't know. So you do a box and then you just follow the rest of her eyebrow. But then you just do it like this a little bit because that's the kind of ones that we like. And then you just color it in a little bit. And then you just like do it with your finger so it could blend. This is how you blend. Get your blue beauty blender. This one. And then you just repeat it on the other side. But obviously the other one might look different because eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. And then you just blend it again. Okay. Yeah, I'll give them a little view. After you've done that, you get your Jeffree Star highlighter palette. Foundation palette. Your contour palette, which is this. And I'm just gonna use this brush right here. And you just get the brown one because we're brown. And we're gonna do her contour. So we just do like this so she can have cheeks. And then you do the other sides like that. And then I seen some other people do this, so that's what we're gonna do. I think you do dark ones on the outside. And then you do a white one in the middle. So your nose can look like Michael Jackson. And then you do powder under her like that and make a triangle. I don't know if you guys can see this. So then you do your powder. And then I seen some people do this one as well. They do a heart upper like that. So after that's finished setting, you get the other side of the brush and you just dust it off. Just like that. Make sure you be gentle with your client's face. Okay. And then we
supposed to blend it in. Aren't you supposed to blend it?
I did blend it.
What is this?
Stop. Don't try to make me look unprofessional. That's why I never accept these type of clients. Oh my gosh, they have more. Okay, so then you clean your brush with a cloth. And then we're going to do contour again because we have more colors now.
No.
Turn around. But we're going to blend these ones because they're a bit dark. And we don't do that. So then we blend it down.
I'm gonna see you.
Why are you taking it off? No, not yet. See, no. Okay, so then you got
I took it off, guys.
you got brown. Because apparently my customers tell me what they want from me when I'm the makeup artist. So then you do brown. And you just blend it down. One on this side and then one on the other side. You just blend it. Make sure you blend it. Then you got your beauty blender. We do some highlight on the top of the lips. Right. Oh, that's not what we do. We do lip liner. Can't breathe. And then we just blend that out because we don't want it to be too dark. And yeah, I'll do that. Again. Jeffree Star / Anastasia Beverly Hills / MAC, I think it's called. I think this is MAC lipstick. And we just twist it up. And then we got some out. And we just put it on the lips. Okay, and since this is a special client, we're gonna create a wig for her.
My lips are black now.
Exactly, that's the point. Okay, so if you guys want me to review her for you, let me know. Like, send me an email and I'll review some of her for you. This is a wig that I received in email yesterday.
And people like Kim Kardashian buys these.
Yeah, I think like Kim Kardashian had this one, so that's why I got it because she said it was really good quality. She texted me. She said, "Get this, sis." She was like, "Sis," and I was like, "Sis," and then she was like, "Get that wig," and I was like, "Girl, I will." So then I got it. The hair just comes like this. It comes already halfway done for you. Like, it already comes in a hairstyle if you want it to. And we just put it like back here because when we put on the wig, we want her hair to be tied down. So then we divide the wig in half because if you guys didn't know, this is like a high-tech wig. Like, you could break it and stuff and do all of that. So then we, this is Got To Be glue. This is what we use, Got To Be glue. And you just get it and you just apply it on the forehead. You apply it right here so the wig can stick. Like that. You want to make sure that you apply like good enough stuff. Layers.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you got your blow dryer. We're gonna mute this part because it might be a bit loud. So then you blow dry it. And then we got our wig. Oh, this hair is gorgeous. So then we apply our wig right here. And then we got our straighteners. We got our straighteners and we just straighten it. Oh, this wig. Oh, it's coming. It's such a good wig. Like, it even falls forward by itself. So then we just do that. Sometimes we tuck it behind our ears. Yeah, okay. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and
subscribe. Supposed to be right here with the glueus.
Okay, so stop down. This wig was expensive. So thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want me to do your makeup and your wig, because girl, if you go somewhere else, like, I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, give me my wig back.
What is this? I ain't paying for this. I ain't paying. I ain't paying for this.